Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Tonight we're talking about automating your emails. Now, you guys may have seen my recent video about Clio Grow's automation, their new automated workflows, and those are fantastic. But tonight I want to talk to you about an automation that has actually been around in Clio Grow for a number of years, and I feel like not too many people take advantage of it. So I want to make sure I show it to you tonight. Make sure that you guys can find it, and use it well. So let's hop on over to our Clio Grow screen here, and we'll see. We're going to take a look over here in settings. And if you come over to checklists and campaigns, this is where we're going to set up those automated emails. And so what you'll see here is that I have a checklist that's called follow up for an intake call. So this would be an example where somebody called us and said they needed help, but they didn't yet schedule an intake call. We didn't get all the information we need to see if they're eligible for a consult. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and you can see the first thing on here is an email. And if we go into a little bit more detail here and edit this, when you put an email into a checklist, it allows you to schedule it automatically. And so you'll see here, I said I want the email to go out 1 minute after the the workflow is created, excuse me. And so when I put this checklist into my Clio Grow Matter, then 1 minute later, that email will go out and I can pick the email template that I want. And so if we just want to take a quick example of what this looks like, if I go into this Matter here and I come over to checklists and automated workflows and email campaigns and find the follow-up for the intake call, then it's going to put that in there, and you will see that that email is scheduled to go out to my client there. And so I want to show you, though, there are other ways to do this as well. So for example, if I go back to my checklist, let's say this is an email that I actually want to not just go to my client, because by the way, these automated emails will go to the primary contact on the matter only, right? But let's say I want this email to actually go to the primary contact and a second contact on the matter. Let's say I have a spouse or something like that. Then what I'll want to do instead of automatically scheduling that email is I'll want to come in here to my checklist, and I'm not going to schedule it automatically. I'm just going to put it into the matter. And when I do that instead, we'll go back to another matter here to see how that plays out. So when I do that instead, if I come here and I say follow up for the intake call, then it's going to put that list in down here, and it's not going to be scheduled this time. And so I can come in here and I can say I want to send the email manually, and now I can add some somebody to the CC line. So I can find some other contact that I have in Clio Grow, and I can go ahead and add them to the CC line, okay? And go ahead and send out that email. Now that's not automated, of course, but that's if I want to add an additional contact or somebody in that CC line. If I don't, if I'm just sending it to that primary client, our contact on the matter, then I can go ahead and automate that email to go out in my checklist. So I hope that's helpful for you guys. Go ahead, give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you've used these automations before, let me know. I'd love to hear what you think about them. Again, this is an automation that's been in Clio Grow for a very, very long time, and I hope that some of you are able to take advantage of that. Thanks so much for joining me tonight. Have a great evening.